In today's show, I'm going to share with you a new trend which will trigger a 10,000% surge in a select group of crypto assets, says Bitcoin bull Lark Davis. That's right, crypto influencer Lark is unveiling the next big thing in crypto that he believes has the potential to ignite a massive surge of 100x. So if you're looking forward to 10,000% gains or more, pay very close attention to what I share with you right here in today's show. Also in today's episode, crypto analytics firm Sentiment predicts a sharp Bitcoin bounce amid this negative market sentiment. That's right, data from crypto insights platform Sentiment says the Bitcoin price is poised for a steep recovery as the crypto community turns bearish on the number one cryptocurrency. We'll be discussing this in today's show. Also in today's episode, Bitcoin billionaires, the Winklevoss twins, think that decentralized finance is a revolution, which has been getting a lot of controversy. Cameron Winklevoss tweeted, DeFi is not the same as the 2017 ICO craze. Back then, money was raised on Ishcoin white papers written in coffee shops. DeFi is already live and working in the wild. Billions of dollars are at work, earning positive yield. This isn't hypothetical vaporware. This is real. We'll be breaking this down for you in today's show. We'll also be taking a look at the overall crypto market. We can see Bitcoin and most of the major altcoins are in the red, but where's the Bitcoin price likely to go from here? Find out all this, plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day, so be sure to smash that subscribe button, that's right, and turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. And before I kick off today's show, if interested in tapping into OPM, leveraging other people's money to grow your wealth and crypto portfolio, then smash that link right below this video in the description. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV. Let's kick it off by diving into today's top story of the day. A new trend will trigger a 10,000% surge in a select group of crypto assets, says Bitcoin bull Lark Davis. Let's break it down, shall we? Bitcoin bull and crypto influencer Lark Davis, shout out to the crypto Lark, is unveiling the next big thing in crypto that he believes has the potential to ignite a massive surge of 100x or about 10,000% gains. That's right. Now, hypothetically, if Bitcoin itself was to rise even 10x, we're talking about a $100,000 Bitcoin price. Now, if Bitcoin went up 100x, which is 10,000% returns, we're talking about $1 million Bitcoin price. However, we're not talking about Bitcoin right here. We're talking about something completely different. Just wanted to share some retrospect. Davis says the crypto market will continue to offer new and profitable opportunities as it evolves and expands beyond the red hot decentralized finance DeFi sector. He goes on to share, so NFTs, non-fungible tokens, is one such area that's getting a lot of attention right now and could be a big growth area. And it's certainly an area that we as investors maybe want to be paying attention to. So there you have it. He's referring to non-fungible tokens known as NFTs as the next big crypto trend. According to the crypto researcher, NFTs are unique tokens that represent ownership in a particular asset. He goes on the record to share, a fungible item is one that can be exchanged for any similar item. For example, a dollar bill is fungible because it can be exchanged for any other dollar and maintain the same value. However, something like a ticket is non-fungible because even though we could, for example, trade our ticket for someone else's ticket, well, it's not going to be exactly the same, is it? Maybe that other ticket's for a different film, or it's the same film but a different time. It's not equal is the point. Each ticket gives you access to a unique set of experience. If we move this idea into the blockchain setting, an NFT is thus a one-of-a-kind token, a certificate of digital authenticity, verifiable on the chain. Lark explains that NFTs offer a wide array of use cases for investors, including ownership in digital art, in-game items such as virtual lands, and skins, as well as collectible items such as card decks and virtual pets. The crypto researcher also highlights that NFTs can extend their reach beyond the realms of art and gaming. Lark sees non-fungible tokens being used in royalties, insurance, and many other enterprise solutions, including tokenizing invoices in order to take out a loan. While investors who want to position in the emergent space can simply buy NFTs, Lark emphasizes one particular opportunity that can deliver worthwhile gains. Here we go. You ready? Perhaps the most financially lucrative use case for NFTs is going to be plugging into DeFi. MakerDAO is already working on bringing music royalties and shipping invoices into their platform. One that I'm keeping a close eye on is called persistence. Now, this is a new player coming to Cosmos, which will be focused on bringing in enterprises into both the NFT and, of course, into the blockchain world, looking at DeFi and how we can bring those NFTs into DeFi. So this is definitely one that I'm keeping an eye on. So there you have it. Let me know if you feel this could be the next big trend for crypto that can soar 100x, which is 10,000% gains. I'll also include this in the show notes below the video and the description. This video from Lark Davis entitled "The Next 100x Crypto Altcoin Trend, NFTs." Also, let me know if you've ever heard of NFTs or if this is all brand new for you. And before I break down our next story of the day, crypto analytics firm Sentiment predicts a sharp Bitcoin bounce amid negative market sentiment we're experiencing in the market right now. But first, let's take a look at the overall crypto market. We can see Bitcoin barely in the green, up 0.19% for the day, trading at $10,491. It's critical we stay above that $10,000 psychological support. If we break below that, then it's likely we close that CME futures gap, which is currently open at about that $9,600 to $9,700 range. We have Ethereum down 0.4%, trading at $340. Chainlink down about 5%, now trading at $8.43. XRP barely in the green, trading just above 23 cents. BNB down 2%, trading just below $24. Neo up a whopping 12%, trading at $21. And Miss Litecoin up 2%, trading at $45. And now checking out some of the top exchange volume, we have Binance down 44% with 5.6 billion in volume. OKEX up a whopping 19% with 1.8 billion in volume. Hobby Global down 30% with 1.5 billion, and BitMEX down 14% with just over a billion in volume in the past 24 hours. All right, now let's break down our next story of the day, shall we? Data from Crypto Insights platform Sentiment says that the Bitcoin price is poised for a steep recovery as the crypto community turns bearish on the #1 cryptocurrency. The crypto market data platform says that sentiment over Bitcoin's price action has turned increasingly negative following the Crypto King's failure to stay above 11,000. They go on the record to share prices of Bitcoin and other crypto assets tend to bounce most precipitously when the crowd is demonstrating a high level of FUD. This is exactly what we've been seeing for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins following the early September retrace, as well as the more short-term scale after Bitcoin plummeted to $10,340 just a few hours ago. That's right, we're taking a look right here at Bitcoin's weighted social sentiment, which indicates high level of FUD. Sentiment analysts say they measure social sentiment by using a machine learning model that tracks a large data set of 1.6 million tweets. Holy moly. Based on Sentiment's chart, as you can see right here on the screen, Bitcoin has the tendency to make a steep price recovery after the weighted social sentiment metric dips into the level indicating that traders have turned pessimistic. A number of crypto analysts are also seeing a bullish rally on the horizon. Trader Cantor Clark tells his 28,000 followers that Bitcoin might be staging a bear trap. Let's check it out on crypto Twitter. Bitcoin likely to see relief in the near future. Nice selling into the close of yesterday's session. If you ask me, that looks like an optimal way to set up a trap for any systematic shorts that would get the green light at that point. We'll see. Then we have Bitcoin Jack, who echoes Cantor and Clark's short-term optimism on Bitcoin as he thinks the largest crypto might be in for a short squeeze. Taking a look at Bitcoin Jack's tweet, this reeks of short sellers being trapped, pretty much similar to March, but opposite and with slightly less open interest in the market. Could I be wrong? Sure, but this is how I'm seeing it. So there you have it. However, not all traders are ready to buy the dip. Crypto strategist Michael Van de Poppe believes that Bitcoin may be on its way to fill that CME futures gap at $9,600. He recently just tweeted, Bitcoin, a potential scenario I'm watching, invalidated if we break above $10,800. So he feels if we don't break 10.8, then we're likely to close that CME futures gap. Let me know if you agree or disagree in the comments right down below. All right, and before I break down our next story of the day, Bitcoin billionaires, the Winklevoss twins, think that decentralized finance is a revolution. First, let's take a look at the overall crypto market cap, sitting at $332 billion with $73 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, and current Bitcoin dominance is 58.4%. And now taking a look at the biggest gainers within the top 100, we have OMG Network leading the pack up 18%, trading at $3.07. Uniswap up 17%, trading at $4.68. Neo up 12%, trading at $21. Decentraland up 12%, trading at 7.5 cents. Hyperon up 11%, trading at 60 cents. And Arweave up 10%, trading at $3.08. And now checking out the biggest losers within the top 100, we have Avalanche down a whopping 32%, trading at $4.25. Reserve Rights down 8%, trading at 1.1 cent. Chainlink down 7%, trading just above $8. Bitcoin Gold down 6%, trading at $7.73. And Cello down 5%, trading at $2.55. Now, out of this list of the biggest losers and gainers for the day, which altcoins in particular are you most bullish on? Holla at your boy. And now checking out the BitMEX margins, we can see the bulls are barely in control, leading with about 6 million in superiority in the last 24 hours, with longs leading 50.2% versus 49.8% shorts. Are you currently bullish or bearish on the king of all crypto? Let me know in the comments right down below. And now checking out one of my favorite indicators is the Crypto Greed and Fear Index. Shows we're currently rated a 43 in fear. Yesterday was a 39 in fear. Last week a 43 in fear, and last month a 78 in extreme greed. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity, aka BTFD, by the frickin' dip. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for correction. All right, and before I break down our final story of the day and we discuss this DeFi revolution, first I want to remind you to smash that show more button right below this video in the description for a detailed analysis of what's going on in the market. This goes for all 540 plus videos right here on my channel. I also have some very helpful resources, including the blog to my podcast, which could be found at cryptonewsyes.com. Not only is this updated every single day, it also allows you to download the latest episode of the show in MP3 format. Also be sure to smash that subscribe button right below this video, or if you're listening or watching on a different platform outside of YouTube, the direct YouTube link is cryptonewsalerts.net. You can also follow us on all the major podcasting platforms, from Apple's iTunes to Spotify, the home of the Joe Rogan Experience, to Google Play and Stitcher Radio. You can also follow us on Twitter to receive daily crypto news alerts. My Twitter handle is cryptonewsyes. And for those of you active on Facebook, as I am, I do have a private crypto Facebook group entitled Crypto Alchemy with over 17,000 cryptopreneurs from all over the world. To become a part of it, simply click this link, request to join. I'll be sure to plug you in. And for those of you active on Telegram, I do have a private crypto Telegram chat. To join it, click this link. You'll automatically be added, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you personally on the inside. All right, now let's break down our final story of the day, shall we? Ethereum's DeFi space has fallen off dramatically over recent weeks due to a weakness in the markets. Top coins pertaining to the space have dropped by over 30 to 40% from their recent all-time highs, resulting in market carnage. You can say that again. Not to mention some crypto assets in the space have lost even more than 40%, plunging as capital floods into safer bets, such as Bitcoin. However, there's still many prominent supporters of decentralized finance. For one, the Winklevoss twins, the Bitcoin billionaires behind the Gemini exchange, recently threw their weight behind DeFi in a series of messages. The twins said that they see decentralized finance as a revolution, and unsurprisingly, they aren't alone in thinking so. Let's actually check out this tweet from Cameron Winklevoss. DeFi is not the same as the 2017 ICO craze. Back then, money was raised on Ishcoin white papers written in coffee shops. DeFi is already live and working in the wild. Billions of dollars are at work, earning positive yield. This isn't hypothetical vaporware. This is real. Let me know if you agree or disagree with Cameron Winklevoss. And Cameron's optimism was echoed by his brother Tyler Winklevoss, who made a similar comment to his brother about the importance of the yields offered in the DeFi space, who went on to tweet right here, "Yield is something you used to earn from your bank. Now you earn it from a smart contract. The DeFi revolution is upon us." Touche. Preston Pish responded, "DeFi yield today is analogous to CDO yield in 2008. Some do think that DeFi is reaching a near-term peak, though." Crypto analyst Theta Seek noted that there is a number of fundamental trends suggesting that the growth of the decentralized finance space will stall in the near term. These include, but are not limited to, risk of funds being lost caused by poor user experiences and tools, a loss in momentum of capital entering this crypto market segment, and regulatory pressure as governmental agencies eye the vast amounts of capital sloshing around in DeFi, along with the potential for hacks and bugs. So there you have it. Let me know if you're bullish or bearish on DeFi. Overall, I agree with the Winklevoss twins. I feel decentralized finance is not going anywhere anytime soon. And here's a quick recap of what I covered with you here in today's show. A brand new trend will trigger 10,000% surge in a select group of crypto assets, says Bitcoin bull Lark Davis. That's right, we're talking about NFTs, non-fungible non-fungible tokens. They have the potential to rise 100x according to the crypto Lark. Also in today's show, crypto analytics firm Sentiment predicts a sharp Bitcoin bounce amid negative market sentiment. We have Cantor Clark, who is bullish on the king of all crypto. Bitcoin Jack, bullish on the king of all crypto. Then we have Crypto Michael, who is actually bearish, predicting we break below that critical 10,000 support. And once we do, we close that CME futures gap at about that $9,600 to $9,700 range. However, he does stress that's invalidated if we can break above 10,800. And looking at the current market right now, you can see Bitcoin struggling to just maintain above even 10,500, which was once a support, which is now a resistance. So do you agree with Cantor Clark and Bitcoin Jack and you're bullish on the Bitcoin price? Or do you agree with Crypto Michael that we're likely to close that CME futures gap at about that $9,600 to $9,700 range? Let me know where you think the Bitcoin price is likely to go next. Drop me a comment right down below. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in, journeying along with me inside this incredible crypto matrix. If you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right. And turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. And real quick before I go, if interested in tapping into OPM, leveraging other people's money to grow your wealth and crypto portfolio, be sure to smash that subscribe button right below this video in the description and register for this free system entitled OPM Wealth. You'll be glad you did, and I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.